see that video and share and subscribe our channel. Okay, so now let's get started. Okay, so see children, what is on the screen? These are some plus points of Swiflearn. Okay, if you join Swiflearn, what you're getting, you will be getting 100% live and interactive classes. Children, all the classes are very interactive and are live. Okay, and see the second one, we have personalized attention batch with maximum 6 students. Children, we are not having any batch that have more than 6 students. Okay, so you will be getting a personal attention and see a dedicated academic mentor team to track and work on students' progress. Children, whatever you do in Swiflearn, you submit your homework, you give test series. So all the progress is recorded by a team, okay? And it covers syllabus as per the school exam schedule and also handle custom request, okay? Whatever you demand according to your school to a Swiflearn, they will give all the faculty facilities to you, right? So now, these are the key features of Swiflearn. As I have already told you, they gave detailed progress reports, okay, according to your homework, according to your performance, according to your test series, okay, and they give Swiflearn academic test series. As I have already told, after every topic, every chapter, we provide you test series, right? Now, take unlimited practice set. Children, you can go to Swiflearn, you can join it, and you can give unlimited practice sets, okay? And you have been, you will be also given subjective tests, right? And homeworks also. So you can book our free trial class. And children, if you like the video, you can subscribe our channel. Please subscribe the channel and don't miss any of the video. Press that bell icon to get regular notifications, right? Okay, so now we are going to start the class. Let's get started. So children, what you can see on the screen, what is there? A plus B is equals to 1 is equals to 1. And beside that, 2 is not equal to 5. So children, these are some variables and constants, right? And some equation. See, wherever you see that equal sign, with algebraic expressions, that becomes equation, right? So let's get started. So children, our objectives for this session is, first of all, we will learn the addition of algebraic expressions and subtraction of algebraic expressions. Yes, I think my screen was not visible to you. Now is it visible, I think. Okay. So in that, just a second, children. Yes, the objectives for this session is that we will be learning the addition of algebraic expressions. We will be learning subtraction of algebraic expressions. Okay. So now let's get started. First of all, tell me, what do you remember in the some topics, some concepts from the last class? Okay, क्या लाते हैं हम last class से, क्या लाए हुए हैं? First of all, हमने क्या पढ़ा हुआ था? We have learned variables, we have learned like and unlike terms, we have learned polynomials, we have learned terms, right? So all we are going to recall that just for a minute. See, what are like and unlike terms, children? What we have learned, like terms क्या होते हैं बेटा? जो उसके साथ variables होते हैं वो same होते हैं, तो वो like terms होते हैं. And what are unlike terms? जिसके वेरिएबल्स डिफरेंट होते हैं, है ना, जिसके कोफिशिएंट्स डिफरेंट होते हैं, वेरिएबल कोफिशिएंट, तो वो क्या होंगे? अनलाइक टर्म्स, राइट? एंड देन वी हैव लर्नड फैक्टर्स. बेटा फैक्टर्स क्या बताया था मैंने? फैक्टर्स होते हैं जिससे वो चीज मिलकर बनी हुई है, ओके, जिससे वो चीज फॉर्म हुई है. सपोज 10 is formed by 5 into 2, right? So 5 and 2 are the factors of 10, okay? 10 is formed by 5 into 2. So 5 and 2 are the factors of 10. And what are coefficient, children? कोफिशिएंट क्या होते हैं? जो उसके साथ जो नंबर या वेरिएबल होता है उसको हम बोलते हैं कोफिशिएंट, ओके? सपोज just a second. Okay, suppose it is written, suppose it is written 2x, okay? 2xy is written. So what is the variable of xy? What is the coefficient of xy? It is 2. Okay, so this is what? This is numerical coefficient. Okay, this is numeral coefficient. And what is the variable of y? What is the variable, sorry, coefficient of y? It is 2x. So in 2x, x is the literal coefficient, right? And 2 is the numeral coefficient. Okay, so these are coefficients. Now let's move to the next slide. Okay, so children, in the last session, we had always also learned monomial, binomial, and trinomial. Okay, so can you figure out what are monomial, trinomial, and binomial? Let's see. See, 100. How many terms are there, children? How many terms are there? Only one term is there, right? So what we can call it? We can call it, what we can call it? We can call it a monomial, children. What is monomial? I have already told you. See, monomial is having how many digits monomial, how many terms monomial have? Monomial have only one term, right? Okay, now see the second one. How many terms are there, children? There are, how many terms are there? 1, 2, and 3. Okay, so there are 3 terms. So what we can call it? We can call it trinomial. Okay, and how many terms are there, children? How many terms are there? One term is there. So we can call it monomial. So we can call it monomial. Okay. Now, please tell me what is the how many terms are there in the in this one? 1 and 2. So what we can call it? We can call it binomial, right? Now, how many terms are there in the last one? There are 2 terms. So this also we can call it binomial. Is that clear? This was the previous knowledge, children. Okay, we have already learned. Now see the next slide. What we are going to learn today is that, see, get the algebraic expressions in the following cases using variables, constant and arithmetic operations. So now what they are asking, beta हमको क्या करना है इसमें? We have to make the algebraic expressions. Okay, one statement is being given to us and we have to form one expressions, right? So see the statement. Numbers 5 added to 3 times the product of m and n. Okay, a number 5 is added to 3 times the product of number m. First of all, we have to break the statement. Okay, 3 times the product of m and n. Okay, again we are breaking it. Product of numbers m and n. So what will be the product of numbers, children? What will be the product of numbers m and n? It will be m into n, and that is mn. Okay, we can write it mn. Okay, so we can write like this, m and n. Now they are asking, they are saying 3 times the product of numbers mn. So 3 times किसका होगा, children? 3 times होगा ये number mn का. Okay, the product of the numbers. So I have multiplied it by 3, and they are saying number 5 added to 3 times the product of numbers m and n. So what we have to do? We have to add 5 with 3 times of the product of the number. So 3 times of the products of the number we have already done. So now what we have to do? We have to add 5, right? What we have to do? We have to add 5. So this is our expression. Is that clear? Okay, now see the second one. Product of numbers y and z subtracted from 10. So again we have to break this statement. ठीक है? तो product of numbers y and z का product क्या हो जाएगा? That will be yz. Okay. Now subtracted from 10. चिल्ड्रन, हमने बचपन में पढ़ा हुआ है कि जो फ्रॉम के बाद जो नंबर आता है वो सब्ट्रैक्शन में कब आता है? पहले आता है ना? सो वी कैन राइट हियर 10. Okay, 10 से subtract करना है हमको product of the numbers y and z. All right. Now see the next slide. See children, what are these are the questions. Okay, this is the revision sheet. Okay, what are the coefficient of y in the following expression? So now children, you will tell me what are the coefficient of y. First of all, tell me where is y. Y is only in first term, right? So what is with y? Y के साथ क्या दिख रहा है आपको? It is only n. Okay, now can you tell me children, what is that coefficient? Is that numeral coefficient or is that literal coefficient? Yes, definitely it is the literal coefficient, है ना? Variable है तो ये literal coefficient होगा. Now see the second one. So I will just write over here. Yes. So children, what is the coefficient in this? It is n. And this is what beta? This is a a literal coefficient, right? So now tell me what is the coefficient of y in this? It is y is in only first term. Okay, so what is with y? Y किसके साथ है? 2 के साथ है. Okay, तो 2 क्या होगा? हमारा numeral coefficient है ना? Now see the second question. What is the constant terms in x square plus y square plus 98? Children, can you tell me what is the constant term in this expression? Constant मैंने क्या बताया था? What is constant? जो नंबर alone होता है, अलग होता है, वो होता है constant. Okay? जो नंबर अलग होता है, किसी भी वेरिएबल के साथ नहीं होता है, तो what is the number alone? It is this, है ना? 98. So constant is 98. All right. Now see the next slide. Now children, we have to assume one scenario. Okay, we have to assume one situation. These are two friends. Okay, तो ये friend पूछ रहा है, hey Suraj, I have 7 cats and 5 dogs. How much do you have? ठीक है, तो अभी उसने क्या बताया? I am having 7 cats and 5 dogs. How much do you have? So उसने बोला I have 4 cats and 3 dogs. Okay. तो राहुल के सूरज के पास कितने हैं? 4 cats and 3 dogs हैं. और राहुल के पास कितनी है? 7 cats and 5 dogs हैं. Now children, can you find how many cats and dogs both have? दोनों के पास कितने cats and dogs होंगे वो हम कैसे find करेंगे? How we will find? Children, हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं क्या कि हम cats और dogs को दोनों को एक साथ काउंट करके बोल सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. क्या हम कैट के नंबर को हम डॉग के नंबर से ऐड कर सकते हैं क्या? नहीं. वाई? बिकॉज हमारा जो डेटा है वो गड़बड़ हो जाएगा ना. हमको बताया है हाउ मेनी टोटल कैट्स, तो हम कैट्स को कैट्स के साथ ही ऐड करेंगे, राइट? हम कैट्स के नंबर को कैट्स के साथ ऐड करेंगे और 5 डॉग्स के नंबर्स को हम 3 डॉग से ही ऐड करेंगे, है ना? ऐसे ही करते हैं हम. ऐसे तो नहीं हम 7 कैट्स को हम 4 डॉग्स से ऐड कर देंगे, नहीं, है ना? सो children, this is the concept of like and unlike terms, right? Whenever we have to add terms, हम क्या करते हैं? हम हमेशा like terms को add करते हैं, unlike terms को हम add नहीं करते हैं. Is that clear? So this is the concept. Whenever we do addition, what we do? We use like terms. हम सिर्फ like terms को add करते हैं, ठीक है ना? सेम टर्म्स को सेम टर्म से ऐड करेंगे और वो सेम टर्म दूसरे सेम टर्म से है तो उन दोनों को ऐड करेंगे. समझ आया? So you just need to add number of dogs and number of cats separately. Same they are saying. हमको क्या करना है? हमको dogs का नंबर डॉग के नंबर से ऐड करना है और cat का नंबर cat के नंबर से ही ऐड करना है separately. Okay. We cannot mix up. Okay. Now see, adding like terms. That's what they have said. See children, we have to add 4x plus 3x. So beta tell me, are they like terms? They are like terms, है ना? क्यों? क्योंकि उनका वेरिएबल सेम है. You can see the variable in these are same. So 4x plus 3x, how can we add? We can assume x as dogs. हम x को हम dogs assume कर लेते हैं. तो 4 dogs plus 3 dogs. How many dogs? 4 dogs plus 3 dogs. How many dogs? 4, 5, 6, 7 dogs, right? ऐसे भी कर सकते हैं हम. But now what you have to do, this is the step. Okay, we will take x common and in the bracket what we will write? 4 plus 3, that is 7x. Okay, वी कैन डू लाइक दैट। ओके, मैंने ये डॉग्स वाला एग्जाम्पल सिर्फ आपको मन में बताया है कि ये मन में करना है। नाउ सी दिस, this is the mix up, okay? 4xy plus 3xy plus 7xy. So children, can you figure out these terms are like or unlike? It is like term, okay? These are like terms. We have xy, 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 okay, in all the three terms. So how can we add this? Children, xy को हम एक क्वांटिटी मान लेते हैं, ओके? एक क्वांटिटी मान लेते हैं xy को। सेम जो मैंने लास्ट टाइम बताया कि हम x को हम डॉग मान लेते हैं, तो xy को भी हम डॉग मान लेते हैं, ओके? xy इज द सेम टर्म इन ऑल थ्री। तो xy को हम डॉग मान लेंगे, तो 4 डॉग प्लस 3 डॉग प्लस 7 डॉग। हाउ मेनी डॉग्स? We will add these, okay? 14 dogs. So what we will do mathematically, we will take xy as common, okay? हम xy को हम बाहर लिख लेंगे, and then in the bracket what we will write? We will write 4 plus 3 plus 7, that is 14, okay? So now children, we have to solve 3 terms, okay? हमको 3 expressions दिए हुए हैं, we have to add these 3 expressions, okay? First of all, see the expression very carefully, okay? Children, see the expression very carefully. See, 12m square plus 9m plus 3, 5m minus 4m square plus 4, 7m square minus 10m plus 6, all right? So now tell me how in how many terms there are same terms. See, in how many expressions we can see the same term? Wait. See, this is 12m square and this is 4m square and this is, sorry, this is 7m square. Children, m square, m square, m square, it is in all the 3 terms, hai na? So what we have learned, beta, we have to add like terms, okay? हमको like terms ही add करना है, तो हम same terms को हम separate कर लेंगे, right? तो हम same terms को कैसे separate करेंगे? Children, see here, what we will do, 12m square plus 9m plus 3, we can write here, okay? First of all, we will just add these, okay? First of all, we will just put plus sign between all these, है ना? हम अभी सिर्फ plus sign put करेंगे. Now we will separate. First of all, we will open the bracket and then we will separate the like terms, है ना? अभी हम bracket open करके like terms को separate कर लेते हैं, okay? अभी मैंने सिर्फ plus sign लगाया हुआ है बीच में, and then I will open the brackets and then I will separate like terms. So 12m square plus 4m square plus 7m square, ठीक है? मैंने इनको separately लिख लिया है, देखिए यहाँ पर. And then 9m plus 5m plus, sorry, minus 10m, okay? इसको भी मैंने separately लिख लिया है. And then constants 3 plus 4 plus 6, okay? So now again we will be adding like that only. जो मैंने बोला था एक quantity मान लेनी है, तो मैं m square common लूंगी and then in the bracket I will write 12 minus 4 plus 7. Is that clear? And then again from these three terms I will take m common and in the bracket I will write 9 plus 5 minus 10. Is that clear? Children, be careful with the signs, okay? These are very confusing in these type of expressions. So 12 minus 4 plus 7 is what? 7 minus 4 is 3 and 12 plus 3 is 15, okay? And 9 plus 5 minus 10, 9 minus 10 is minus 1 plus 5, that is 4. And 3 plus 4 plus 6, that is 13. So our answer is 15m square plus 13. Children, that's so easy. What you have to do? You just have to separate the like terms, ठीक है ना? आपको like terms separate करना है और start कर देना है addition. कैसे addition करना है? हमको common लेना है और bracket में ये सारे numbers हो जाएंगे, all right? Now see the next one. So children, sum of 2, this is the note. You have to remember this, okay, every time. Sum of 2 or more like terms is a like term. बेटा जब हम like terms को add करते हैं तो उनका addition भी क्या होता है? Like terms ही होता है ना? जैसे 7x plus 4x. What is 7x plus 4x? That is 11x, okay? So 11x is also the like term क्योंकि उसमें variable तो same ही होगा, है ना? And then देखिए आगे क्या बोल रहे हैं वो, like term with a numerical coefficient equal to the sum of numerical coefficient of all the like terms. और जो उसका numerical coefficient होगा वो क्या होगा, उन दोनों like terms का sum होगा, है ना. जैसे 7x plus 4x तो 11x है, तो ये जो 11x है 11 है वो किसका sum है, 7 and 4 का है. Okay, so now we have to add these. तो बेटा we are adding here only. See how we are going to add it. Okay, तो अभी हम सब में क्या करेंगे, what is our first work children, whenever we see the question like these, what we have to do, we just have to separate the like terms. अभी मुझे बताइए like terms कौन कौन से हैं, जैसे यहाँ पर p square है, right, और यहाँ पर भी p square है, और यहाँ पर भी p square है ना. तो ये p square p square p square हम यहाँ सेपरेटली लिख लेते हैं, है ना. So 7p square q square minus 10p square q square and plus 7p square q square. All right, children, please don't judge my writing. Okay, I am writing very horribly here just because of this pen. So children, what we have to do, we have separated the like terms and see the other term. ये यहाँ पर 8pq है. Okay, तो 8pq और कहाँ पर होगा, यहाँ पर होगा 3pq. Okay, only two places we can see. ये एक्सप्रेशन तो सिर्फ इतना ही है ना. तो -8pq and plus 3pq. Now what we can see children, this constant and this constant, है ना. So 5 plus 15. Is that clear? So what we will be doing beta children here, what we will do, we will take p square q square common, and then I will write 7 minus 10 plus 7. Okay, and then I will take pq common. Okay, so -8 plus 3 and plus 15 plus 5 is what? 20. Okay, so we will solve it here only children. What is 7 minus 10 plus 7? 7, 7, 14. 14 minus 10 is what children? It is 4. 4p square q square. And what is -8 plus 3? -5. है ना? So, okay, that is -5. -5pq plus 20. So this is our expression children. All right. What we have done, beta, please write the first step. Okay, I haven't written the first step. 7p square minus q square minus 8pq plus 5. So you have to write here plus. Okay, you have to make here plus, and then you will write this expression, and then again you will make plus, and then you will write this expression. Okay, this is the first step. Okay, I have written from the second step children. Okay, so we can do like this. Now see the next slide. Children, I haven't taken the next slide because I wouldn't be able to write this expression, है ना, इसलिए मैंने यहाँ पर ही कर दिया है. Now see the next slide. So here also I am writing in this slide only. See, this is very complicated. Okay, 4x square minus 1 upon 4x plus 9 upon 3 plus 1 upon 4x square minus 1 upon 2x plus 1 upon 7 plus minus 4x square minus 1 upon 3x and then plus 4. So children, here also what we will be doing children, we have to separate the terms, है ना, हमको यहाँ पर भी separate करना है terms. Okay, so first of all, children, what is the first step beta? First step is same. क्या करना है आपको? Plus plus plus, it is already written. अब हम क्या करेंगे? We will separate the terms. Okay, so 4x square. अभी मुझे बताइए second step, second वाले expression में कहाँ पर है 4x square? It is in the first term, है ना? तो 1 upon 4x square, and in the third expression C, it is in 4x square. This is here. Okay, so This is our first group, and then we will put plus sign and see this digit. Okay, so it is having minus. So what I will do, I will put minus here. Okay, so I will put here minus 1 upon 4x minus 1 upon 2x, and then minus 1 upon 3x. All the expression, all the terms are in minus sign only. And then see the last term, it is 9 upon 3 plus 1 upon 7 plus 4. Is that clear? So children, this 3 we can cancel out. This is 3 3s are 9. So this will become 3 only. Now tell me, this 4x square minus 4x square will cancel out. So what is the x square coefficient? It is 1 upon 4 only. Okay. Now see this term. Minus 1 upon 4x, minus 1 upon 2x, and minus 1 upon 3. So what we will do, children? We will take the LCM, right? हम यहाँ पर LCM लेंगे, and LCM is 12. Okay, 4 3s are 12. Now 4 3s are 12. So what we can do? We can write here minus 3x, and 2 6s are 12. So we will write here minus 6x, and 3 4s are 12. So we will write here minus 4x. All right. And then solve this also. Children, I have cancelled out. This is 3. Okay, 3 upon 1 plus 1 upon 7 plus 4 upon 1. So what will be the LCM, children? LCM is 7 only. So 7 3s are 21. LCM is 7. So 1 7s are 7. 7 3s are 21 plus 1 plus 4 7s are 28. Okay. Now just add all these. Solve all these. 6 plus 3. Sorry, minus 3 minus 6 minus 4. So what we will do, children? We will add these digits and we will put minus. So 10 and this will become minus 13x and 12 and plus 21 plus 28 plus 1. What is 21 plus 28? 21 plus 1 is 22 and 22 plus 8 is what? It is 10 plus 50, that is 50 upon 7. So children, this is the answer, okay? This is the answer. 1 upon 4x square minus 13x upon 2 plus 50 upon 7. Is that clear? Okay, this was a little bit complicated. Okay, this was in the fraction form. That's why you have to do all this. Now see the next slide. Now see the another scenario. Okay, children, now just assume one situation. I have 7 cats and 5 dogs. Okay, this boy is telling to this boy, मेरे पास 7 cats and 5 dogs हैं. Okay, now this boy is saying, I have 4 cats and 3 dogs. Okay, इस वाले boy के पास कितने dogs and cats हैं? He is having 4 cats and 3 dogs, right? So how can we calculate our remaining cats and dogs, सूरज? Okay, तो वो बोल रहा है कि हमारे जो कम ज्यादा जो कैट्स एंड डॉग्स हैं वो कैसे कैलकुलेट करेंगे? आई मीन कि किसके पास ज्यादा डॉग्स हैं, कितने ज्यादा हैं, किसके पास ज्यादा कैट्स हैं, कितनी ज्यादा है. ठीक है, सी द अपर स्टेटमेंट. राहुल लॉस्ट 2 cats and 2 dogs and सूरज लॉस्ट 3 cats and 2 dogs. बेटा राहुल के पास ऑलरेडी में कितने थे? उसके पास 7 cats and 5 dogs थे, लेकिन उसने क्या किया है? उसने उसके 2 cats and 2 dogs क्या हो गए हैं? खो गए हैं. और सूरज के कितने cats and dogs खो गए हैं? 3 cats and 2 dogs खो गए हैं. Now we have to tell how many remaining cats and dogs are there with them. Okay, कितने dogs and cats होंगे उनके पास? So what we will do, children? Whenever we lost something, हम क्या करते हैं? हम subtraction करते हैं. Now children, this is the scenario of this is the situation of cats and dogs. Okay, तो हम cats को cats से ही minus करेंगे ना. See, 2 cats are lost, तो हम उसको कितनी कैट से माइनस करेंगे? हम राहुल की 7 कैट से हम सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे, है ना। 2 कैट्स को हम 7 कैट से ही सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे। क्या हम ऐसे कर सकते हैं क्या? 2 कैट्स को हम 5 डॉग से सब्ट्रैक्ट करेंगे? नो, नॉट एट ऑल, है ना। तो so children, in subtraction also we have learned the concept that we we do subtraction between the like terms only. Okay, हम जो subtraction है वो सिर्फ like terms में करते हैं. See, 8x from 14x, है ना. तो हम x को हम क्या suppose कर सकते हैं? We can assume x as dogs. तो हमको 8 dogs subtract करने हैं. From how many dogs? From 14 dogs. So children, we have learned in our smaller classes कि जो from के बाद जो number होता है क्या होता है? वो हम पहले लिखते हैं subtraction में, है ना. तो 14x minus 8x is, what is 14x minus 8x? It is 6x, okay. It is as simple as addition only. You just have to put the minus sign and subtraction. Now see this term, subtract 2xy plus 3 from 4xy plus 7. Now we have to subtract this expression from this expression, okay. So first of all, we will write this expression, okay. So I have written this expression and then minus this expression, okay. And then we will open the bracket and then we will write the like terms separately. And then we will take it common and then we will subtract it. Is that clear? Okay, so see the example. 12ab minus 18b minus 10a from 42ab plus 16b plus 10a. Children, learn this concept throughout the chapter. From के बाद जो number आता है that we write before, okay? जो हम पहले लिखते हैं. From के बाद जो आता है ना वो हम पहले लिखते हैं. Okay, so 42ab plus 16b plus 10a, and then I have written the subtraction sign, and then we will not open the bracket. Okay children, जैसे हम addition में हम directly open कर देते थे bracket, we will not open here. This is the minus sign. Okay, so we have to be careful. So 12ab minus 18b minus 10a. Is that clear? So what we will do, beta? We will open the bracket very carefully. Children, we know that minus into plus is minus. Okay, तो अब हम bracket खोलते हैं. ये जो minus है ये into होगा, ये सारे terms में ये multiply होगा. So see, minus into plus 12ab, that is minus 12ab. Minus into minus is plus, and minus into minus is plus. Okay, now we have written. So then we will write the like term separately. Okay, so see here where you can see the AB. You can see at only one place. Okay, this is 12AB. So 42AB minus 12AB. Now 16B. And now can you see anywhere B? It is 18B. Okay, and then 10A plus 10A. All right. So 42 minus 12 is 30. 16 plus 18 is 34. And 10 plus 10 is 20. Is that clear? Okay, now see the next slide. Children, that is the same note that we have learned in addition. ठीक है, वही note है. क्या कि उसमें हमने देखा था addition of two like term is always like term. In this, we have learned difference between the two like term is always the like term, and the numerical coefficient equal to the difference between the numerical coefficient of two like terms. ठीक है, इसमें जो numerical coefficient होगा वो क्या होगा? वो दो like terms का difference होगा. Is that clear? Okay, now see the next slide. Subtract 3x square minus 2x plus 11 from 4x square plus 5x minus 7. So now children, see what I am doing here. Okay. So I am writing here. See, first of all, what we have to do, we have to write the expression that is after from. Okay, जो from के बाद लिखा हुआ है. तो 4x square plus 5x minus 7, and then I will put one bracket and then minus 3x square minus 2x plus 11. Okay, now I have to open the bracket. Okay, so please see this very carefully what I am doing here. Okay, children, we have to multiply this minus in all three terms. Okay, जब ब्रैकेट ओपन करते हैं तो हम क्या करते हैं, हम मल्टीप्लिकेशन साइन इनटू करेंगे. सो माइनस इंटू प्लस, दैट इज माइनस, एंड देन minus into minus is plus, and then minus into plus is minus. Okay, now we will write the like terms. ठीक है, like terms को हम separately लिख लेंगे. So 4x square minus 3x square plus 5x plus 2x. Okay, minus 7 and minus 11. Is that clear? So 4 minus 3 is x square, that is 1x square, and 5 plus 2 is 7. Okay, and then minus 7 and minus 11 is what? It is minus 18. Is that clear, children? What we have done, we have put the minus sign here, and then I have multiplied the sign throughout the bracket. Okay, मैंने पूरे bracket के अंदर जो थी चीज, मैंने उन सब में multiplication कर दिया है minus का, and then we have solved it. Okay, that was so easy and very interesting also. Now see the next slide. See here, we have to subtract 4pq minus 8p square minus 2q square minus 9 from p square minus 2pq plus 2q square plus 3. Okay, so see here, first of all I am going to write the second term. ठीक है, मैं second term लिखने वाली हूँ. p square p square minus 2pq plus 2q square plus 3. Okay, and then I have put the bracket, and then minus, again I have put the bracket, 4pq minus 8p square minus 2q square minus 9. Okay, now just open the bracket. P square minus, just a minute, actually this pen. Minus 2pq. So children, what we have done, we have written the first step. Okay, so what was the first step, children? We have written both the expressions. Okay, first expression was p square minus 2pq, and the second was minus 4pq minus 8p square, and then minus 2q square and minus 9. Okay, now we will open the bracket. So p square minus 2pq plus 2q square plus 3, and then after opening the bracket it will become 4. Children, here it is 4pq. Okay, so this will 4pq and plus 8p square plus 2q square plus 9. Okay, so we will write it separately, all the terms, like terms. So can you see anywhere p square, children? It is here only. Okay, 8p square. So plus 8p square, and then minus, and then pq, children. Can you see somewhere pq? It is there. So minus 2pq and minus 4pq. Okay, and then plus 2q square. Children, can you see somewhere q square? it is there plus 2q square. And then this is minus, this is plus 2q square. Okay. And then plus 3 and plus 9. Okay. Now we have to solve all these. What we will do, beta? We will take the p square common, and 8 plus 1 is 9p square, and minus 2p cube minus 4p cube. What is it? Is minus 6p pq, and 2q square plus 2q square 4q square, and 9 plus 3 is what? 12. So children, this is our expression. Okay, what? 9p square minus 6pq plus 4q square plus 12. Is that clear? Okay. Now see the next slide. So children, read this note. Unlike terms cannot be added or subtracted the way like terms are added or subtracted. बेटा जो unlike terms है उनको हम addition और subtraction नहीं करते, उनका हम सिर्फ किसका करते हैं? हम सिर्फ like terms का addition और subtraction करते हैं. I think this is crystal clear to you. Okay. So see this question. What? X square minus y square minus 1. X square minus y square minus 1 minus x square, and 1 minus x square minus y square. So what we have to do, children? We have to multiply, we have to add these. Okay. So see how I am adding here. X square minus y square minus 1 plus y square minus 1 minus x square plus 1 minus x square minus y square. Okay. So see, where are x square? This is there. Here it is x square. Here it is x square. And here it is x square. So children, this x square and this x square are cancelled out. See, they have plus sign and minus sign. So they will be cancelled out. Only one x square is left. That is minus x square. And this y square and this y square is also cancelled out. Only one y square is left, that is minus y square. And this minus 1 and plus 1. This will also cancel out. Only minus 1 is left. So children, this is our expression. Okay. This is the addition. Now see the next slide. We have to subtract these. Okay, children. So what we have to do, children? First of all, write the first term that is after from. Okay. At the first, see what we have to do, children? We have to write the expression that is written after from. Okay. At the first only. So b into 5 minus a into b minus 5. Then we will open the bracket, children. I have already told you कि हम bracket open करेंगे. Okay. After that, and that we have to do very carefully. We have to multiply this b in both the terms. Okay. So 5b minus ab, and then we have to multiply this minus a in both the terms. So minus ab plus 5a. Children, this minus and minus will become plus. Okay. So 5b plus, we will write, see, first of all, we will see the like terms. So what are the like terms, children? Only these two are the like terms. Okay. So we will write them separately. And then we will write 5b plus 5a. Okay. So minus ab is what? It is minus 2ab. And then 5b and then 5a. Is that clear, children? See here. Okay. Now see the next question. See, sum of from the sum of 4x plus y minus 21 and 2x plus 3y minus 10, subtract 2x plus 2y plus 2. Children, read the question very carefully. What they are saying, from the sum of मतलब हमको इन दोनों का sum सबसे पहले फाइंड करना है, फिर उससे हमको क्या करना है, ये एक्सप्रेशन सब्ट्रैक्ट करना है, राइट? तो प्लानिंग बनानी पड़ेगी. What we have to do first of all, we have to add these expressions, है ना? We have to add these expressions, and then by that addition we have to subtract this expression. Okay, so first of all we will add this expression 4x plus y minus 12, sorry, minus 21. Okay, plus 2x plus 3y minus 10. And then from this whole expression, what we have to do? We have to subtract this expression, okay? So 4x plus 2x is what? 6x. Y plus y is 4y. Y plus 3y is 4y. And minus 21 and minus 10 is what? It is minus 31. Children, I have done directly. Please, okay, थोड़ा समझने की कोशिश करिए. What I have done, 4x plus 2x. What we do? We add like terms. तो मैंने like terms अपने मन में add कर लिया. I have skipped one step. Okay, 4x plus 2x is 6x. Y plus 3y is 4y. And minus 21 and minus 10 is 3y. And then I will put minus sign. And then I will open this bracket. Okay, so minus into plus, that is minus. Okay, I have already written, and 2x minus plus into plus, that is minus 2y. Okay, and minus into plus is minus only, so it will become 2. So children, now you can subtract this. 6x minus 2x is what? 4x. Okay, 4y minus 2y is 2y. Minus 31 minus 2, it is minus 33. So this is the answer. Is that clear? Okay, now see the next slide. From the sum of 7 minus 2x minus 4x square plus and 7 plus 5x, subtract the sum of 5x square minus 2x and minus x square plus 3x plus 2. Children, this question is not tough at all. Okay, we have to make two scenarios. Okay, हमको two तरह के वो बनाने पड़ेंगे columns. What we have to do? We have to make two columns, and then we will add the first column we will add these, and in the second column we will add these. And then what they are saying, इससे इन दोनों के सम से हमको इन दोनों के सम को subtract करना है. All right, so see over here what we will do. First of all, we will make two columns. Okay, minus 4x squared plus okay, तो हम क्या करेंगे? 5x minus 2x is what? 3x minus 4x square, and 7 plus 7 is what? 40. So children, this is our first term, and then we will add these terms also. So 5x square plus 2x minus x square plus 3x plus 2. Children, we have to add these expressions. Okay, so 5x square minus 4x square is what? 4x square. 5x square minus x square is what? 4x square. 2x plus 3x is 5x plus 2.